great. You know what? I don't think I need your help anymore.
Hey, good. Hey.
All right, so there's no way you can lift up from where you are.
If I had a set of angled needle nose, I probably could.
I can stick this screwdriver in here and actually watch what I'm doing at the same time, I think.
It's just got to be.
Get in your hole. If you can hold it right there, it's...
All right, I can hold it right there. I don't know how long, but I can hold it.
So, like, hurry the fuck up?
Pretty much, yeah. I'm not going to say all that.
If that must be said, then yeah. Do that.
Oh, Jesus.
Voila!
Can you see if it's still engaging into the throat bearing?
Dude, now you're asking a lot.
Huh?
You're asking a lot.
Well, you're going to have to, because if it's not, we're in trouble. I would leave that all attached. Make sure it's working.
No, that can go back in, but this... Fuck. How am I going to get that back in? Why did that even come off?
What's on?
The bearing.
Oh, shit.
It's... Steve, you would have had to accidentally lifted it up that far.
No way.
So it's on. Like, because if it's a really tight fit, not tight, precise.
Mm-hmm.
So it wasn't binding or anything, but I had to, you know, it's like two machined flat surfaces.
Yeah.
So,
It fits behind here.
exactly.
Unless it's sponge.
No way, not this big.
Okay.
You couldn't, there's no way. It's gotta be. Now,
You
this
should
is-
be able to see from the side, at the top over here with that big window.
Alright, let me get this back in. If this falls in there, look, this is what I'm attempting here.
How to slide the bearing in?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
You bitch.
Use your camera, man. No work getting the cap out.
Yeah. Why the hell did that come back out when I was unscrewing?
Probably because of the angle it was slid in.